So I made 40 cents on my first day's trading robot. I know that don't sound a lot, but I'm only trading with $113. So that's 0.34% just over in one day. I've got a new trading robot that I think you might want to look at. This is an excellent opportunity. It's going to work hand in hand with Jonny blockchain. So if you want to find out more information, and you've got an hour to spend, because I want to send you a presentation, and I think this presentation is going to blow your socks off. It's a video presentation, so make sure you lock yourself in a quiet room, turn your phone off, and really watch this video, because I think it's going to blow your socks off of what we've got in our hands here. So if you're interested to find out more, and you're serious, and you've got an hour to spare, then click the link below this video. You have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.